Hi everyone. Now I will be showing you how to edit and make changes and then submit the IPONB assignment files to the Google Classroom using Google Colabs. So this video is for those who are using Google Colabs instead of Jupyter Notebook. So firstly, I will select the assignment and open the assignment file in Google Colabs. So when I select the IPONB file, here in the top, you can see open with Google Collaboratory. I'll select that. And the Google Colab notebook opens. So now we will be able to make the changes. So one thing you'll have to remember is, so I'll make a small change here. So print of 3. And when I press Shift Enter, so this is actually it's not your own Google Colab notebook because it is the shared Google Colab notebook. So you'll not be able to straight away run yourselves. So you'll have to say run anyway. And another catch here is when you want to save the notebook and you say Control S, you'll not actually be able to save the notebook file because this notebook file does not exist in your Google Drive. So what you'll have to do is save a copy in Drive, and this file, notebook file, will be automatically moved into your Google Drive. You can close the older tab and start using the copy of the Python copy of the file, which is actually present in your Google Drive, in order to make the further changes. And now if I say Control S to save, it says saving and saved successfully. So for this particular notebook file, you'll be able to make the changes. Now, after making all the changes, so I'll close this tab and I want to submit this, submit the notebook file in my Google Drive. So say add or create, go to Google Drive. And in Recents, you will be able to see the two files, copy of Python and Python basics. So choose the copy because copy is the original one where you'll actually be making changes, and the file will be, you will be able to access the file. So select that and say insert. And finally, turn in. Remember, it should be the copy, not the original one. Yeah, thank you.